What's up, guys? It's Awesome Gamer here. So, I'm back. Oh, snap. I ain't even click on the, I'm back with more iFunny. We have a lot of memes to do today. So, let's get started. No talking. Your life can't fall apart if you never had it together. Dumb. Next, when her profile is private, all you have to wow. Being an adult is 90% worry about money and 10% spending your money. Don't have on treats because you worried a lot this week. It's all good in the hood, I replied cheerfully. But deep down I knew there were so many economic problems in the hood. I don't understand. If
Water, earth, fire,
they did me trying to get my life together. What is she doing? What is she doing? When your friend wants to split the check, but they got drinks and desserts, this has been the worst trade deal in the history of trade deals, maybe ever. Branch manager and assistant branch manager. Bears approaching alarming speeds. Bears go fast, losing track of bear. Bear has reached match 1. We have lost vision on bear. Bet you didn't know these two characters had the same voice actor. What? Hold up. Comment down below. Do you know what that plank is from? What show is it called? So, comment down below. I already know that's Aladdin. Yo, he really got a trackie, but he put it inside an iPhone. Yo, he real slick for that. How I feel whenever I win an argument about literally everything. Mom, if your friend jumped off a cliff, would you do it too? Me? You're damn straight. You're dang straight. Y'all expectations is getting lower and lower every day. What did your ex not let you eat or some poop? My kind of relationship. B, don't catch feelings. Also me. Feelings. Girl, I need music to listen to. SoundCloud rappers. Hey dad. Hey, you're like, hey dad. Hey, can you come pick me up? Everybody's being mean. Enters password wrong. Resets password. New password can't be your old password. Raindrops. Drops out. I'm a horse word. Clippity clop. What? How to wake up. I want to lay here forever. That's how I be. I don't want to get out the bed. Me, January. New year, new me. Me, February. I'm back on that. Parents, when are you going to settle down with a nice girl? Me, I have. Boy. Okay, you can't love cat. Wife, is that everything? Me, only the... Oh, snap, he got his cat with him. I'll just do your makeup at my house, me. Oh, no. Oh, no. What happened? When you don't sleep for days and your body is 90%. Dude, Beyonce is pregnant. What is a Beyonce? I am tricked. Oh, snap. Sorry, I was watching Corey Kenshin. Me after the Super Bowl. That's enough for sports for the year. I played that game. I love that game. Splinter Cell, yo. That game is amazing. The internet trying to force memes out of the Super Bowl. Yet another unrealistic body expectation for women. Use your own words, just copy from the textbook. She was born in 1978. Me. 1978 is the year she was born. Switched it around a little bit. When your grades are poop and your family wants you to do college prep to save money. Wow, I have a lot of people to disappoint. I seen that commercial. Said I am the internet. When you can't decide which old meme to wear. Oh snap. Chat room. Her. If it was just two alone, what do you think we do? Him. We should play catch. Her. What? 11-year-old crying over boy. Hold on. 11-year-olds crying over boyfriends and girlfriends. When I was 11, I cried about Miss Hannah Montana episodes. Yo, I found what I want to do with my life. Be the puppy bowl referee. What? Do you even get paid for that? Doge and a Doge. Oh, I didn't even see that. That's not Doge. When you text her, good morning, beautiful, and she replies, oh, thanks, buddy. Nobody cares who I was until I put on this mask. Now that's Doge. No, you ever seen the video when the dog is just like sitting there and its head just flopped back in his head? Why do I exist? When you think you're gonna fail your your test best end up passing. Right, I be thinking I'm gonna fail, and then as soon as I just pass, when you think you have to win in the bag, those are beats. Falcons, yo, no, I'm mad. I watched the Super Bowl for the plot. My friend, can I use your phone? Me, yeah, sure. Hold up, also me. What? Man, you don't gotta delete it. You know it don't matter. If you're an Atlanta fan, you're an Atlanta fan. Keep it on there. My God, how many memes are this gonna know? I'm starting to get mad. Every white girl on social media. Oh my God, I can't wait for the Super Bowl. Also, then, what is the Super Bowl? When is the Super Bowl 2017? Starbucks latte double shot espresso whip. CN. Can't impeach it. Oh my God. Wawa. Okay, you ain't have to be all extra just because somebody recorded. He did that on purpose. Yeah, he said, who is America rooting for? Thank you. Yeah, that little tiny corner. That little Falcons everywhere. That little tiny corner. Like, you do not see that. Like, nobody wants the Patriots to win, but they already won. Can't lose the Super Bowl if you never. What? You say you can't play in the Super Bowl if you never played it. Okay, I understand that. So you don't want a Super Bowl ring? Dummy. Dad, what's the Super Bowl? I don't know, son. We're Chargers. Oh, snap. I get that. I get it. He will not divide us. Oh my God! Are they sisters? Yo, she's weird. I would hate her, yo. She needs some milk. Yo, that's hilarious. Ew. Yo, that's hilarious. Caption time. Oh, always make smart decisions. I seen that one. Right, when you try to do something nice for someone, but you end up making them mad. I seen that commercial. It was a Super Bowl commercial. Ladies, get you a man who can do both. Super Bowl. Ain't you slick? Send nudes. Me jumping into conclusions. Oh my god, what is up with this Taylor Swift performance? Remember Mermaid Man and Barkerboard? This is them now. Feel old yet? When you remember tomorrow's Monday, thank you. You've been hit by. They caught that at the right time. A smooth criminal. You've been hit by Super Bowl 51. Yo. And Katie is just using for Skittles. I seen that. He's like, Katie. He kept throwing it through the window. She kept catching him. Everybody kept sliding over. It's like footage of my family me walking around. Okay, I don't want to see that. Controversial puppy star bulls poops during national anthem. Who wore it better? Yo. SpongeBob. Who do you think wore it better? Comment below. I think SpongeBob. Anyone who says they watched the Super Bowl for the plot is a liar. Oh, wow. Greatest catch. Suckish catch. Me. But I don't like Bud Lights, but drink it. Girlfriend, say it again. Me. Texas and fees. Ew, her lips. Lady Gaga left her performance like, right! She jumped exactly like that. When your wife says if you lose, she is going through your phone. Right, the face you make when you bet all your money. I didn't bet, but like, they started from 3. 3, boy. 3. And they was up 21. And now, fourth quarter, 57 seconds left. Oh, God, what? Thank you. Like, I'm thinking Atlanta gonna win. Like, I sit there and cried. I was mad. Everybody watching the Super Bowl, like, just like that. Sorry, the Falcons took the L. Or you're a Falcons fan, look at the scoreboard in overtime. Autistic screeching. His knee was down. Love these choker. Oh my god, I love the Falcons, but like, y'all gotta keep talking about this. Falcons. Every time I have to see Falcons, I'm just skipping it. When you have to face the memes, the fish is so raw, I'm still trying to find Nemo. This fish is so raw, I'm still trying to find it. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't want to see that. If you listen closely to a seashell, you can hear the ocean. I want to try. Splosh, splosh, squish, slosh. Whoa! Double tap if you give Steve Harvey his mustache back. Oh, that's what he was missing. His freaking mustache. Just caught my son watching anime. Disgusting. No, what is the dog doing? Is he paralyzed? Dude, you can't be doing that. No. Come on, just walk. Man, I feel bad for that dog. No, somebody gotta help him. Why you gonna record the dog? Help him. Oh, yo, you a real slickster. He's sitting there sliding on. He's gonna say, just kidding, LOL. Me, I do not overreact. You couldn't be more wrong. Also me, dispatcher. How big is the spider? It's just the little one. Have you ever said, dang, where's my lampshade? Don't worry, this is an easy fix. Just grab one out of your spare KFC bucket. Yo. Dude, just talk to people, try and get rid of your anxiety. Firefighters mistakenly pump jet fuel on fire instead of water.
You are excluding certain countries.
Nope. Nobody needs to see Trump. I'm vegan too, really. Yay, that's great. What made you go vegan? Seeing it in your bio, sliding into DMs 101. Okay, I'm not reading that because it had Trump in it, so should be used on Star Tribune, not football players. Star Tribune don't score 30. Damn, oh my god, did you hear Beyonce and Jay-Z are having twins? I don't. Buy your girl a hoodie and wear it for a couple of days so you think she's taking yours. A dead butt didn't want to wash a plate. Yo.
Excuse me. I need this.
I need this.
This too.
This too.
Need more blue. I'll write, reflect, note. Later, food. The fuck? This is gonna be good. Hey, Becky.
What is it, Ron?
Get your ass down here.
No, Ron.
Get down here, home.
Oh, fine. What is it?
Check out all my blue. Now let me smash.
Oh, I told you I don't want to smash.
You want some fuck? Stress.
You don't even have a roof.
Well, I got your wheels.
We can fly.
She doesn't want wheels. I'll pay you. Please.
No, Ron.
Okay. Good day. Comes.
What?
Becky, let me smash. Excuse me.
Yo, that bird to smash. Thank you. Yeah, I'm short. Yeah, I know how it feels. At my future wedding and funeral service. Beyonce's family in 2010. I mean, I said 2010. I mean 2020. Okay. Oh, snap. It's like when you walk into your when you walk into your class, your teacher hands out a pop quiz and you don't know anything, pretending you know pretending to know anything. George Bush trying to make it to the coin toss. Ew. No, that's nasty. When I hear a bag of hot Cheetos open. When your relationship ended badly, now you're leaving that poop behind you like... It says, I love you. You're my very... Ew, his nose. When you waited 40 years to be king, but your mother refused to. When your dog's like rock. That dog is turned. Dang. Oh dear God. What people my age do, and then there's me.
You like my sister?
Yeah.
Well, don't. This wall is magical. You can't touch me. My neck. I never said who pushed Dad.
Curtain. When you die, I'll be outside.
Somebody took the nickels out of my dang locker. You hear what I said? Every one of you guys is now a suspect, okay? You'll pay for this in Odin's name.
How you feeling?
I'm probably dying. Hey, hit it. Lariki. I got something to tell y'all. Hey, where are you going? Hey, just laugh if you're mad. So you're pregnant?
What?
You're acting like you're pregnant. Just let it be what it is.
Rubber bands and gum, baby. Ooh, this sheep going to Outback with.
My brain is loud.
Who's that?
Oh, Venos Gaming. Okay. I'm not gonna watch him. She got a baby by your boyfriend and your. Ew. Something tells me she likes to make the bed rock. Oh, okay. That was a smart one. Just upgraded the speakers in my car. Boy, there ain't no car. That's a torture to a horse. I need to drink this. Swag. Not all heroes wear capes. Please, one block ahead. Drop beer. That was smart. Boy. When you know what that mouth do. This guy has no chill. Oh, that's gonna be hilarious. Yo, that's hilarious. He really did that. I'm gonna do that to somebody. How close I have a mental breakdown. Never tell me the odds. Wow. I asked my daughter how Spider-Man shoots his web. Oh, that's crazy. I want a house like that. The house is nice. This could be us, but we still have some self-respect. Can't wait to watch the Lakers versus Manchester United. Oh my God. Song, look back at it. Before prison versus after prison. What the heck? Psych. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Yo, you've been eating all day. Quit being a fat ass.
What the fuck did you just say?
Who are you?
Who the fuck is you, your little short ass
That's
bitch?
my best friend. How old is she?
How old are you? Like 2 years old, bro.
13. She has a big mouth.
How about you catch me outside? How about that?
You think you're tough? I wouldn't do that if I were you. Catch me outside?
Catch me outside.
Dang!
Catch me outside. How about that?
You need to go to Dr. Phil.
Okay, yo, we are gonna stop right there. We're gonna stop right here.
Being a fat ass.
So, see y'all later. Peace.